From the latest technology and innovations in asphalt-related equipment.
This is a one-stop shop where you have distributors, your supplies of everything that you need in the asphalt business. They're right here.
To building relationships that will boost business.
We got to get together, collaborate, and this is the place to do it.
World of Asphalt 2018 had it all, and 2019 will be no exception. Hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Bottom. World of Asphalt continues to raise the bar each year with its variety of exhibitors, education sessions, and networking opportunities. Hundreds of the industry's leading manufacturers and service providers are paving the future with the latest advancements in the field.
We're very happy to present our new cart path paver. It's a 1350C.
Caterpillar's featuring the new CB13 asphalt roller.
We are here showcasing one of our newest products. It's called Flexcrete.
It's your one-stop shop to compare equipment side by side and get business done.
It's always good to create relationships in the business and have connections and network.
World of Asphalt is also the leading education resource for the industry.
I think it's going to make us a better team. New technologies, we're always looking for a way to do things a little bit smarter, a little bit safer, a little bit faster.
And it's not all work and no play at World of Asphalt. So make sure you are part of the asphalt industry's #1 show in 2019.